Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make your very own flaxseed gel for hair growth. So let's get started. Flaxseed is great and amazing for hair growth because it contains vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. So it helps improve circulation of the blood flow in your scalp, thus promoting hair growth. It may also prevent premature graying of hair loss, and thinning hair. Furthermore, it can aid in conditioning your scalp, so it is good to use if you're dealing with dry scalp and dandruff. So this is my proportion when it comes to making the flaxseed gel. So what I use is 2 1/2 cup of water, and then I add in about 7 tablespoons of flaxseed in it. And then I go ahead and bring it up to a boil, and you might want to keep an eye on this and keep on stirring because you don't want the flaxseed to burn at the bottom. So on the first boil, the consistency is going to be somewhat watery like this, but you will notice that it's going to start to get a little bit thick. I will allow it to cook a little bit more and simmer it until it gets into this jelly-like consistency. So when it looks like this is actually a perfect time for you to strain it and separate the flaxseed from the gel. So instead of using a stocking or a cheesecloth, I opted in using a strainer to separate the gel from the flaxseed. Doing this method is a lot easier and less messy to do. So at this point, I will add in the lavender essential oil just to add on some fragrance to it. And also, by the way, lavender oil is great to help stimulate hair growth as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all well. Now I know that at this point it doesn't look like a gel, but later, as soon as it cools down, it will start to thicken up and turn into one. All right, so now that it's cooled down, it's going to look something like this. So for the application part, I'm going to use this comb for dyeing the hair to apply it, just so that I can easily apply it on my scalp and it's less messy if you actually use this comb. And as usual, apply it by sections just so that you get to cover all of your hair and scalp. And then the rest, I'm just going to use it on the bottom part of my hair too. Now, this is such a great replacement for gel if you are using gel on your hair because this doesn't make your hair stiff, yet it tames your hair, especially your baby hair. Plus, it doesn't make your hair smell bad at all since it has a very neutral scent to it. And this is also good to use if you're aiming for a wet look hairstyle as well. So what I did to the leftover is I just placed it inside the fridge and then reused it the next day. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to a friend if you found this content valuable. And also let me know in the comments down below what more herbs for hair growth would you all like me to do and see, or like turn it into a DIY. Just because lately I really have been interested in trying out different oils and herbs, not only to grow my hair but also to keep my scalp healthy. So that is it for now, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!